Hi, my name is Maria Eduarda Santillan and you are going to see my cardiac tissue video. Let's start with a bit of the process of making my 3D model. Okay, my process started finding balloons. I found large balloons for doing the ventricles and a balloon that have the shape of the heart for covering this with glue, with water and newspaper. I repeat this process 3 times and let it dry. Then for the colors, I decide to cover this with crepe paper. That is my reference, and I cover with the crepe paper that I have in my house. And that is the result of my heart. Here is the cell that I do with Play-Doh, and now I start with the characteristics. For characteristics, define the cardiac muscle tissue cells. They are involuntary and intrinsically controlled, straight bridge, and single nucleate. Cardiac muscle is considered to be an involuntary tissue because it controls and constantly by regions on the brain stem and hypothalamus. Also, the muscle cells are responsible for providing the power drive to the blood on all the circulatory system. Coordinating their activity depends on an electrical stimulus that regularly intake an appropriate rate and reliability conduct through the entire heart. They may mechanical pumping action depends on the robust contraction of the muscle cells that results in repeating cycles of tension, development, shortening, and relaxation. Now we are going to see the location of the cardiac tissue. Now the location. As we know, cardiac muscle tissue is one of the 3 types of muscle tissue in your body. The other 2 types are skeletal muscle tissue and smooth muscle tissue. Cardiac muscle tissue is only found in your heart, where it performs coordinating contractions that allow your heart to pump blood through your circulatory system. Finally, we have the functions of the cardiac muscle tissue. Now the functions. Cardiac muscle tissue works to keep your heart pumping through involuntary movements. This is one feature that differentiates it from skeletal muscle tissue, which you can control. It does this through special cells called pacemaker cells that control the contractions of all your heart. And finally, this is the bibliography of all the information I said in this video. Thanks for watching my video.